we're going to do our quick sounds now. So mummies and daddies, when we're in school, we say the letter is and the sound is, and we fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's have a go. We're going to do these in the phase 2 order. So the letter is S and the sound is S. The letter is A and the sound is A. The letter is T and the sound is T. The letter is P and the sound is P. The letter is I and the sound is I. The letter is N and the sound is N. The letter is M and the sound is M. The letter is D and the sound is D. The letter is G and the sound is G. The letter is O and the sound is O. The letter is C and the sound is K. The letter is K and the sound is K. 2 letters. A digraph, because there's 2. We've got a K and a K sound. The letters are K, and the sound is K. The letters are C and K, and the sound altogether is K. The letter is E, and the letter is E, and the sound is K. No, that's not right. What is it? Oh no! Can you tell me? What's the name of this letter? Oh yes, it's E! Good job! The letter is E and the sound is E. The letter is U and the sound is A. The letter is R and the sound is R. The letter is H and the sound is H. Oh, what's this letter? Can you remember? Bone. It's a picture of a bone. So the sound that it makes must be a B. So the name is B. The letter is B and the sound is B. The letter is F and the sound is F. Another digraph. 2 letters together. 2 F sounds. And when they're together, they make the F sound as well. Ooh. The letter is L and the sound is OO. Another digraph. Oh my goodness, there's so many digraphs today. 2 L's together. The letters are all and all, L and L, and the sound is OO. Another digraph as well. 2 letters, S and S. The letters are S and S, and the sound is S for dress. Well done, everybody, and thank you for your help. It's a good job you were here.